Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn mouse setting in FreeCAD, how we can set up our mouse. You can also visit my website macnexus.com where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can also download my tutorial source file from here. You can also support my work by buying my free CAD crash course for beginner. It is a very basic level course for the beginner user where a beginner user can master the free CAD. And you can also support my work on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. You will get my website link and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video description. So if you open the FreeCAD and open any part, so here on right corner you will see the navigation for your mouse. So if you click here, you will see here Blender option, CAD option, gesture option, Maya gesture, open cascade. So this is the mouse setting which you can apply to your FreeCAD. For more information you can visit the Wikipedia page where you can see that how mouse operates in a Blender navigation, in CAD navigation and others option. So you can easily switch from here. For example, if I wanted to switch to the Blender mode, then I can simply select the Blender and the Blender modes is activated. You can also go to the edit preferences and go to the display and then navigation, and from here as you can see that I have selected the Blender, so here Blender is selected, and from here you can also change your mouse setting. Apply. So this is a very small tutorial how to use mouse gesture in FreeCAD. I hope you have liked this tutorial, and also visit the Wikipedia page of FreeCAD at wiki.freecad.org and visit the mouse sections and learn about the mouse gesture and set your mouse accordingly. So this is all about this tutorial.